Cadaver workshops are becoming more and more important, especially for ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia, because it's the best training model, because you can use the ultrasound probe, you can see the sonar anatomy, you can stick in the needle, you can inject some fluids, you can do everything what you are doing on a patient. So for me, it's the best training model for ultrasound-guided regional anesthesia. Nowadays, we have no longer dissected cadavers, we only have whole body cadavers, because only with whole body cadavers you can use ultrasound and you can imitate the same situation that you have on the patient. The cadavers are only one part of the so-called cadaver workshop. We also have live model scanning to learn the sono anatomy. We have lecture room always when we do a cadaver workshop to give some short introduction lectures to the different blocks. And we also have stations with jail phantoms, for example, to train the needling, the alignment of needle and ultrasound beam. This is one of the crucial steps performing an ultrasound guided block, because when you advance the needle and you don't see the needle, then you will harm the patient and you can produce a nerve damage. So this is a very crucial step in a success for performing a successful ultrasound guided regional anesthesia. So we have 4 different areas: cadavers, live models, phantoms, and also lecture hall. And we are rotating, and all the people are rotating around these 4 stations. The knowledge of level of the participants is different. We have beginners, we also have very skilled persons. We can see already from the first to the second or the third day an improvement in the skills of all the participants. And I think this is very nice, and I knew from many of the participants, we usually do these blocks maybe on the weekend, and some of them are going directly on next Monday in the operation room, and they do these new blocks they have seen and trained during our workshop. If you have the possibility, you should join the cadaver workshop.